Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to add a header in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. Headers are useful for displaying information such as document titles, page details, company names. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab in the dashboard. Then, find and click on the Header option. A list of built-in header styles will appear on your screen. Choose the header style that you want to use from the available options. After selecting a style, the header area will open automatically at the top of your document. Then, click inside the header section and enter the text you want to display. You can add a document title, your name, company information, dates, or any other text that fits your needs. Once you finish editing, click anywhere outside the header area or select Close Header and Footer to return to your document. Your header will now appear at the top of the pages in your Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who may find it useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.